everybody, happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday to you guys. Hope you guys have had a fantastic weekend. Let us know in the comment section how you've been.
What you've been up to as well.
Yes.
I'd love to know.
Maybe even a few countdown dates. Let us know in that comment section. We'd love to hear how many days you've got left to your next trip.
It's the second Sunday of the month, which means it's P.O. Box time. We've got quite a few goodies today. So before we actually share what you guys have shown us, we actually got a package through our P.O. Box, which is today's sponsor for this video.
Yes, so a big thank you to Gift Giving All Wrapped Up. We'll leave the link in the description for all their social medias and everything. They actually sent us some pretty awesome Disney stuff. They did. They did.
Something that was very, very practical. They did actually contact us saying, oh, we loved your Fit For Me video, and we wanted to actually give you something that could help with your nutrition and to actually portion my food and stuff. And when I saw what they were going to bring me, I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I've never seen it before. And it is a Lion King lunchbox. Now, yes, it is for kids, but this size is perfect to put all my protein treats in whenever I'm going out and about and when I'm at the gym. And yeah, I have been using it and it's been very, very handy and everyone's very jealous.
Yes.
I know this is a kid's lunchbox, but it's perfect size to put all the snacks in and stuff so that I can graze and not be tempted by naughty things when I'm out and about.
That's very true. So they also sent us an amazing figurine which we actually had no idea this was out, and you guys should know the actual design, but this is a Pumbaa and Timon figurine. How amazing is that? It's
an official Disney Traditions thing that I've never seen before. I didn't know that they did this, and when we checked more on their website, they actually have more Disney Tradition stuff. They have lots of really cool random individual Disney things. So if you're really stuck to find a Disney fan's birthday gift or something like that, head over to their website. I'm sure you will find something that is very unique and they will love.
Yes, so thank you very much to them.
Thank you so much.
And let's get on with the rest of the PO Box, shall we? Okay, so we got a couple of postcards through the post. We actually got one from Memories of Malta and Gozo, which is pretty awesome. And this is actually from Kaz. And it states, "Hi guys, we had a good flight here. The weather is nice and hot. We are going for a full body massage tonight.
Very nice.
Then later in the week we've got a cruise at night round the bay, looking to lots of cocktails." So
sounds amazing, Kaz. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for sharing your photos on Twitter as well, you know, of your amazing vacation that you've had. We have been very, very jealous. So thank you so much for your card, and it arrived safely. Yes.
And we got another card, which is, it says Chattanooga Choo Choo. I have no idea where this is. I do apologise if I pronounced that wrong.
It's in America, isn't it?
I believe so. From what I can see here, it's from, I think it's from Tennessee.
Oh. I think TN is Tennessee. I'm not too sure. We're not very good with our states.
No. We know FL. I know what FL is, that's Florida, but everything else I do apologise, but let's just read it out. So he goes, "Hi Steph and Dave, we wanted to let you know how much we enjoyed your vlogs. You have given us lots of information and fun. We live in Chattanooga, TN, so where the song Chattanooga Choo Choo is about. You may be too young to remember the song." I don't remember the song.
I don't remember it, but we shall Google it.
We shall
Google it later.
We will do. It's from the 1940s. The old train station is now a hotel. Keep up the great work. Patricia and Richard, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, guys.
I love the card, it's absolutely awesome. And we'll have to research that song later on today.
And they say that they're YouTube subscribers, so thank you so much for being part of the community.
Thank you very much.
It's a really nice postcard, that.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Do you want to open it? I'll let you
open
let's
it. See it.
You open it.
Okay, it's actually from April. So thank you so much, April. Here you go, after you.
After me?
There you go. Ooh! Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. How cool is that? It's an SD.
Oh, there's a card.
Oh, there's a card, yeah.
Oh, wow. How amazing, April.
So
thank
cool.
you so much.
So it's an S for Steph and a D for David. That is absolutely awesome.
Oh, I've never had a letter before.
No.
To stick up on the wall.
Oh, yeah, we have to put this up on the wall. Thank you so much, April. That's really nice of you. Ooh,
I love that. I love the colours. They're like really nice, beautiful colours.
Yeah, they're really good colours.
Some of my favourite colours in there.
Oh, our cards.
Yes.
Oh,
if you didn't know, it was our birthdays last month.
It was, yeah.
We had a lovely time.
We had a really good time, yes.
Thank you so much.
Lots of surprises.
Yes.
Hey!
Aww.
Says, whoopee, David, it's your birthday. It's 2-day happy birthday, lots of love and best wishes from April. Thank you very much, April, that's really kind
And
of
I got
you.
a lovely mini.
Yeah.
And it says to Steffi, happy birthday, lots of love, best wishes, April. Thank you so much, April. And thank you so much for these, because you've spent a long time on these and they are beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay, the next one, we did actually open this.
Yes, we did.
Because we actually couldn't wait.
We couldn't wait too long.
But if you follow us on our social medias, and
Yes.
if you don't, links are all down in the description below. Go and follow us on Instagram and Twitters and Facebook and all that.
All that jazz.
But the lovely Adam Hatton sent us a package.
He did.
If you didn't know who he was, he's a YouTuber as well.
Indeed.
And he got us lots of little goodies inside.
He did.
Like t-shirts!
He gave us a couple of
That says
t-shirts.
morning.
Morning.
Morning!
Morning.
And then we got a pink one as well. That says morning!
So you got one blue and one pink.
It also came with some other goodies as well, like a mini tips and tricks booklet.
Yes.
And a lovely casting house ornament as well.
That's very true.
And we got a few pins.
We do indeed.
And we also got some keychains as well, which were very, very nice. Thank you so much, Adam. The merch is looking fabulous.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, so yeah, if you haven't checked him out, check him out on YouTube, on all his social media as well. Just search for Adam Hatton and he will be there for you. We'll also leave links in the description.
I think his shop at the moment is actually closed because he's currently in Disney at the moment. The lucky thing.
Lucky.
But yeah, if you follow him on his social medias, he'll tell you when his shops are open.
Yes.
Our last package is actually from our friends Gemma and Garrett.
Yes.
If you didn't know who they were, back in the Florida vlogs of 2016, October time, we spent, I think it was like our second day with them and stuff.
We did.
Very good, very old Disney friends. I used to work with Gemma back in 2005. They went to Disney Shanghai and Hong Kong recently.
They did.
And bought us some interesting things.
Oh, we're super excited.
Because they were like, would you like anything bringing back? And I said, the most randomest thing you can find. So they gave us some Donald Duck popcorn. And I don't know if you can see that. But apparently we did translate it, and apparently it's grape. Is it grape?
Yeah, red grape.
Red grape flavoured popcorn.
Interesting.
Donald Duck ones. And then the next one, which was incredibly random.
So cool. Is this? It's some Stitch snacks, and we have no idea what they are. We tried to translate it, and all we got, it was like they're like potato snacks, obviously like crisps or chips or something. We don't know what the flavour is. We literally.
I feel like we need to do a video about this.
I think we do, yeah.
But yeah, like they almost look like they're just in little boxes, little tubs.
It's very cute.
Very cute little potato snacks.
Yeah. So I don't know if it's just plain flavoured or
Could be like crisps, like French fries, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know, but it's just we tried our hardest to find out. But yeah, so thank you very much, Gemma and Garrett, for the awesome gifts.
Yeah, thank you so much.
That was amazing.
And that is it in our PO box for this month.
Indeed.
If you do want to send us anything, you don't have to at all, but we love like seeing your postcards or your cards, letters, everything like that. The address is up on the board here. It's also in our description bar below for you guys to check out if you do want to send anything. Thank you to everybody who has sent things in to us. You guys didn't need to, but thank you so much. And yeah, we are extremely grateful.
But yeah, so thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Yeah. Also, a massive thank you again for you guys with our merch and everything. If you didn't know, we have a t-shirt line, which I am sporting right now.
It's not just t-shirts. We do t-shirts, we do hoodies, we do lightweight hoodies and jumpers. We also do like dresses and scarves and
stickers,
mugs and notepads and all sorts of stuff, which we'll leave the link to the shop all down below for you guys to go and check out. Thank you so much for everybody's feedback.
Yes.
And support when opening it. Like really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
But of course, we need to let you guys know, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the red subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. Also, if you want to be notified of future videos, hit that bell button and you can be notified when our next video will be out, which of course will be Tuesday.
Yes.
And thank you for watching, guys, and we shall see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!